So this has been an excellent experience. We're bumping into a lot of people that are in the industry, which is how we strengthen our relationships, right? It's how you meet new people. It's how you strengthen the relationships that you currently have, and it's a great way to actually find new people to add to your team.
You learn a lot of new things through the classes. You learn a lot of new things about the different type of companies that are around here, where they're from, and just won a couple prizes as well. So it's all fun. Everyone here is nice and friendly.
It's been a good experience so far. Met with a lot of people over the last couple of days. Had some really good networking at some of the parties that are associated with the show.
I mean, meeting a lot of great people, getting to network with different companies, and you don't see these people. We're on the phones all the time, and now we can put a face to to the voice that we're talking to on the phone.